I'm dipping in my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven. I got every gas.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? I just want to make this video to let y'all know I'm sorry. There's some videos that are coming that have that rattling noise, and I'm really trying to figure out what's going on with it because I like the capability and the sound quality of this GoPro, but it's not really working. So we might be going back to the iPhone 10 recording videos, which it kind of sucks for the handheld vids. It'll definitely be used for the vlogs. I mean, it works perfect for the vlogs. It just doesn't work handheld, and that sucks. Yeah. So definitely gonna be looking at doing those videos from here on out on the iPhone. And now I'm going to actually switch over to the iPhone and see if we can really tell the difference. So here we are. This is the other part of the video. I'm gonna shoot this over to the computer. I'm shooting this on the iPhone 10. Video should be better, or audio should be straight. I know that the microphone is like down on this end somewhere. So as long as I like grab it at this end and then do it like that, then I should be straight. Yeah. So leave a comment down below if this sounds better. Let me know. But that rattling noise with that GoPro is just not gonna work, y'all. So yeah.